Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics out of the way quickly. Update Wallpaper engine and close overlays that steal GPU focus. Once done, make sure Windows Game Mode and Focus Assist are set to off because they can interrupt rendering. You should also check your display drivers. An outdated or corrupt GPU driver often causes a black screen. If drivers are new, consider a clean reinstall. These steps remove common conflicts and let Wallpaper Engine claim the display output it needs. Next, align app permissions and GPU routing so rendering runs predictably. Run Wallpaper Engine as administrator and force it to use the dedicated GPU in NVIDIA or AMD control panels. Steam must use the same GPU when launching. Disable hardware acceleration in background apps because they can conflict with compositing. Then change Wallpaper Engine's capture method. Try full screen, windowed, or scene capture so you can determine which renderer avoids the black screen. Finish by isolating corruption and verifying behavior on a clean baseline. Reset Wallpaper Engine settings or reinstall the app if settings look broken. This clears config-level issues. Then load a simple default wallpaper to see if the problem is asset-specific. If you still see a black screen, inspect Wallpaper Engine logs for errors and try rolling back GPU drivers to the last known good version. If none of that works, a clean driver install plus a full system reboot usually resolves lingering resource locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.